Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the footer on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is just go and open whatever browser you are currently using on your PC. Of course, in my case here, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, all you need to do just go here to the URL section, simply type Google Docs, hit the enter button, which will take you into this page. And from here you would like to click at the first link. Of course, make sure it's not an ad or advertisement, just avoid that in case. And of course you will notice that banner icon, a ad icon right here on the left of the website, of the website. So make sure to avoid this and click at the first link. If it's an ad, make sure to click at the second one or something like that, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you are not at this page, make sure to go and check at another link unless you are at this page, because that will be even much better. But if you are here, you'd like to click at sign in option here at the top right corner to log in into your account if you already have one. But of course, if you don't have an account, as you can see here, you can just click here sign up for free to create an account simply. Of course, if you have a Google account already linked into maybe your browser, you will be able to do the sign up or signing in, those two options even fast and simple, and this will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here at the Google Docs main page or home screen. And of course, from here you'll be able to to create a blank page, or you can actually open some of your recent documents, or you can just choose some of their templates right here. There have a lot of it. Of course, if you just choose what you want, for me I'm just going to open a recent document. You will be actually right here. And let's say as an example, you open the recent document, or you open like a template that has a footer, and you want to actually or so badly remove that footer. So simply, if you want to do that, just go to the bottom of your page. Once you go it, make sure to select your cursor to the bottom of the page again, and just double click on that, and as you can see, this will open the footer for you. So let's say as an example, you have this in footer. So when you go down, as you can see, you cannot delete it if it's in footer, because it's in footer, of course. So if you want to delete it, simply just click at the bottom of the page again, and now you'd like to go here to options, click at remove footer, and as you can see, the page has no footer at all now. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.